Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Muhammad Jahid Hassan. I'm an English language teacher. Right now, I'm going to talk about a word, and the word is affect. It's a verb. The spelling of this word is A-F-F-E-C-T. Affect. Verb forms of this word are affects, affected, affecting. Here are some sentences using this word, and the meaning of this word is proverb fella. Okay, here are some sentences using this word. Her death affected him deeply. Smoking affects health. She affected not to care about her failure. The team's performance was affected by rain. The disease only affects cattle. Does television affect children's behavior? Rub the cream into the affected areas. Okay, right now I'm going to drill two sentences from here. Smoking affects health. 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 তারপর কি ধূমপান স্বাস্থ্যের জন্য ক্ষতিকর বা ক্ষতিকর প্রভাব ফেলে। The team's performance was affected by rain. 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 তার মানে দলটির পারফরম্যান্স বৃষ্টির কারণে প্রভাবিত হয়েছে। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।